Good morning, first grade. I hope everyone is having a terrific Thursday. Today is Thursday, November 12th, 2020. It is the 51st day of school. So I have two quarters, and if you remember, each quarter is worth 25 cents. That's right. And we count two quarters is 25, 50, and then one penny takes us to 51 cents. All right, your special today is music at 11:45, and we will go ahead and if you'd like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance, and then we'll go over the new puzzle for today and our schedule. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right. So our puzzle today is more of, or the riddle, I should say, is more of a puzzle. So I don't know if you've ever seen those puzzles where it's either like a series of pictures or little, I guess little pictures, or it's words written in different ways to try to give a message through the pictures. So here is today's, and you can see it has egg, egg, ham. But if you notice anything about the way it's written or maybe the color of some of the writing, see if you can figure out what that is supposed to stand for. So I thought I'd start out with hopefully an easier one, and then I found some tough ones. So we'll see. We'll give this a try to see if you can figure out what that's supposed to stand for. All right, very good. So our schedule for today, this morning, you'll have your application problem for lesson 3 in math in module 2. And then there will be a deep dive about imperative sentences. So we talked about interrogative sentences earlier this week. Today's will be about imperative sentences. So you'll hear all about that from me in the deep dive lesson. And then there also will be a high frequency word reading assessment. So we've done one of these before, but if you could please just record yourself reading the high frequency words, and it's like the second set of them. So we had the first 4 weeks, and then this will be the second 4 weeks worth of words. And again, because it is an assessment, if you could just try to do the best that you can on your own. Feel free to practice if you would like, but just try to do the best that you can on your own and send that back. And then this morning, we will meet at 10 a.m. for our morning class. We will take our spelling test for week 9. And we will also talk a little bit about the central message and what a central message is, and then what the central message is in specifically green eggs and ham. And we'll talk about that at 10. And then we'll meet again at 1 for math and work on lesson 3 in module 2. Okay, and then again, just super quick reminders, parent-teacher conference link, I'll send it on the newsletter again this week on Friday if you would like to sign up for a time. They're virtual, December 1st and 2nd. And then Friday, again, just a reminder, is the next supply box pickup between 12 and 5. And if you could please return the Wit and Wisdom texts, that Bookwoman, Green Eggs and Ham, and Waiting for the Biblio Burrow. If you still have the Tomas book from the first time, if you could return that as well, that would be great. And then Friday is also our one-on-one assessment day. So we won't have our normal scheduled live classes because we will be meeting one-on-one with every student in the class and working on the end of the trimester assessment. It should take about 10 minutes. We will send everything in the morning for the day. So there is a pre-recorded math, everything that of a normal day, it will just send it in the morning, and you can work on it, as you wish throughout the day, whatever works for you. And of course, I'll still be available, email. I can respond to emails and Seesaw messages if you do need any help or have any questions with any of that work. And like I said, I'll be seeing you one-on-one. I emailed the time to all the grown-ups for the one-on-one appointments, and then the first graders will get an activity in the morning with their time and with their link to join. If the time doesn't work, just let me know and we can find a better time. All right, so let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see everybody soon. Have a great morning, and I'll talk to you soon. See if you can figure out what that is supposed to mean. Bye, guys.